the news has spread all at social media.
See, पहले press has to be more responsible and put things in right perspective. We are all shocked with the news of Ms. Fogart under various circumstances she had been expired. Police are doing the investigations. Chief Minister has come on record on the actions which are being taken. So ये सब पकड़ के जब आप गोवा देखते हो, जो भी हो गया वो टूरिज्म के एस्पेक्ट से क्यों देख रहे हो? Now, if somebody is coming as a tourist, he is welcome to come and do things here nicely, safely, enjoy the place, and do things rightly as far as Goa is concerned, and be responsible and act responsibly. So it is on every individual who comes here who needs to ensure that they take responsibility of their own self. As a government and as a tourism sector and as a tourism thing, we are here to provide all the best infrastructure and possibly the avenues of enjoying and having some nostalgic moment as far as Goa is concerned. But जो भी होता है, tourism becomes a very important aspect and becomes the main backbone of the Goan economy. So it is very important to be acting responsible as a government, and media also is acting responsible in passing the things. So I don't think tourism should come in every aspect of thoughts which normally are already being acted upon by the chief minister.
So last question I would like to add, यहाँ पे बीजेपी की सरकार है, सेंटर में भी है और हरियाणा में भी. So why is taking so long to transfer the case to the CBI? CM has said that if required, will transfer the case to CBI. Why is
the chief minister will talk on it. It is not correct for me. The CM has already had a discussion and spoken to the media. He must be having a thought what needs to be done. I think he will be the right person to comment on this.
Thanks.